If you have been selling online, or if you have been buying things online, you must have by now known the importance of email copies or art creatives generally. Before you buy anything, I believe that you normally go through the sales page, or before you buy on social media platform like Facebook, you normally go through the art there. It's called the creatives. You go through it and it pleases you, it compels you to buy, it enthralls you and hooks you psychologically, and then you now click the learn more button or shop button and lands on the opt-in page, the pre-sale or the sales page, and you see copies on all these pages. All those write-ups, they are called copies. So I am going to be handing you Facebook art creative that you use to sell your PLR, as well as email copies to help you generate sales and curiosity, of course. Then you are going to also get access to sales banking marketing pages, as I told you earlier on both Elementor and Thrive templates. Now this would have cost you, I'm not just saying it, thousands of dollars. Sales funnel templates, Elementor and Thrive templates are very, very expensive. You can go online and check out how these are sold. Very, very expensive. So I've already packaged all these things in a zip file, and I'm going to hand them over to you to make selling of your products, not just these PLRs, any product you own, or even affiliate offers in future that are related, that are in the make money niche, or you can even adjust these copies and make them your own, even if you don't know anything about copywriting. These things are being well tailored and fashioned to sell professional copies, so you are going to have access to them. No much talk here. So when we come back, we are going to go here where I show you how to sell your PLR or your own product without a website. So thank you and God bless. I'll see you in the next tutorial.